Hello everyone. Happy December 2nd. Today we celebrate Fritters, abolition of slavery, and the joy of freedom and flavor. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Fritters Day. A crispy, golden treat for food lovers. A great gift could be a fritter recipe book, a deep fryer, or a gourmet dipping sauce set. What's your favorite fritter? Let's crunch into the comments. It's International Day for the Abolition of Slavery. A solemn reminder of human rights and dignity. A thoughtful gift could be a donation to a human rights group, a book on freedom movements, or a symbolic candle. Let's reflect together in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 23 days away, so every thoughtful gift idea helps us celebrate with heart and purpose. It's Safety Razor Day. A nod to classic grooming traditions. A sweet gift could be a vintage razor set, a shaving cream sampler, or a grooming kit. Who deserves a smooth shout-out? Let's trim the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 1st to 5th. Sharnodamayan, door di konchit sidra certain star. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.